Gear up for a quick ride through the 2024 Toyota Prius Prime. No major changes this year, but why fix what's not broken? Choose from 3 trims, SE, XSE, and XSE Premium, ranging from $33,770 to $40,465, including destination. Under the hood, it packs a punch with a 2.0 L 4-cylinder and 2 electric motors, giving you a solid 220 horsepower. Efficiency? The Prius Prime SE hits 52 miles per gallon combined on gas and an impressive 127 mpg on gas and electricity. Plus, 45 miles on electricity alone. In terms of size, it's just right, 181.1 inches long, 70.1 inches wide, and 55.9 inches tall. Cargo space? 20.3 cubic feet behind the rear seats, or 26.7 with them folded. The 2024 Prius Prime is efficiency in motion. Subscribe, like, and share your thoughts. Until next time, drive on. Thanks for tuning in.